It's our last day of vacation, day of Virgin Voyages with the Lady Celebration Cruise, and last sea day.
Last night, we went to the Scarlet night party up on 15. It started on 7. We learned about the Octopus Garden, which, to just quickly summarize, is a story about a sailor who went down into the ocean, met an octopus queen.
Okay, don't talk. We don't want to spoil too much because I do feel like part of the allure or like the fun of Scarlet Night is not knowing what you're gonna get. And even though I did some research, so I knew we had to wear Scarlet, I fast forwarded through some parts, so I don't think we should say too much on it. There may have been an event that I participated in during Scarlet Night, and then literally the whole ship turns red, and no matter where you are, it's red, and there's things to do, and there's party, and all the crew is out, even like not just the happenings crew, but like the dancers from the shows, the singers from the show, everybody is out making sure you have a good time.
And it just went from one place to another, to another, to another, and then it culminated by the pool.
Yes.
And that's where we had the Kathy Sledge show.
But they brought on a live performer, which was really cool. She's really good. She could still sing, y'all, and that was really exciting. And then once she was done, the party keeps going. And depending on what you're into, you can go to the club, you can go listen to the live music, you can stay at the pool. It's totally up to you.
We did go to Hip Hop Party briefly, but we were so tired at that point that we ended up just calling it a day.
Yeah, we were up since 7 a.m. because we went out to eat. Anyways, look at this. Sad, sad, sad.
Now while I wait for you all to total up your score, 15!
Yeah.
Well, these last couple of trivias have been very hard. We got less than 15 total out of 30 in the last three trivias that we did. The trivias get hard, and the first trivias were easy. These ones are harder. But it's still fun. We're having fun. We're not winning, but we're having fun.
We're staying in the social club, which I think has become our spot to do speed puzzle challenge. So a puzzle that whoever completes it the quickest within an hour wins a round of drinks. We've never done it before. Hopefully this does not mess up our relationship because I'm very competitive, and Sean's also competitive too, but we're competitive in 2 different ways. And we haven't won. That's not true because I did beat their ass in ice cream trivia. So I've won something, but we haven't won anything as a team or pair. Then we're gonna do one more round of trivia, and I think that's the last competition thing, unless something comes up later. But I think it's the last competition thing we'll be able to do today.
We didn't win the puzzle competition, but our goal was really just to finish within an hour. So we did that successfully with the help of some people that joined us. Finishing time!
That was the only goal!
Alright, this is our last trivia. We are determined to win, and we probably won't.
Oh,
but I'm gonna give it a try. Oh yeah, but we did finish the puzzle in under an hour. So we did accomplish something, we just didn't do it first. So this trivia is schoolyard trivia. So I have no idea what that means, but we'll find out.
The fastest man in history was born here. My flag sports the colors green, black, and gold.
Listen, they finally got my category.
I am a Caribbean island nation.
More like that.
At the same time, the whole voyage. Oh yes, it's a very hard job.
We're not supposed to have shoes on? I can take them off. This thing is all these little nubs are like hard plastic. It hurts when you put your body on it.
And you're not supposed to have shoes on.
And you're not supposed to have shoes on, so it would hurt even more.
Found a spot by the pool, and I got me salmon poke. As I try not to bust my ass down these stairs. We also bought a bottle of wine to the pool, and they gave us a bucket, ice. So we're just relaxing because it's all last seated.
Your seahorse lands on a starfish. Starfish, you as an owner have the opportunity to either spin the wheel or stay where you're at. Starfish on 6, 12, and 18. Is that clear to my owners? Yes? Okay. Seahorse number 3. And seahorse number 4. Okay, y'all, let's send some good energy to seahorse 5 and 6. Owners, you just won $1,540. Now, how are you going to spend that money? On shopping. He's like, oh boy. Okay. All right, then, let's give it up for all of our seahorse owners. Can we give it up for my amazing techs right here helping us out?
I waited until the last day to get in this hammock, and I highly regret it. I thought I was gonna like it because I don't like swinging things because it makes me nauseous. But this is like a cocoon. I feel so protected and safe, and it doesn't rock too much. Like I could take a nap. Like I'm very upset at myself, and I'm upset at Sean because he got it day 1 and he didn't tell me how wonderful it is. I love it. I want one for home, but I don't think we have a place to hang it. Okay, side mission or side quest. So on the app, they tell you what's for dinner in the galley, and I saw that they're having beef Wellington. And even though we do have dinner reservations at Gun Bay, which is a Korean restaurant, it's not until 9:30, and I've never had beef Wellington, and so why wouldn't I go try something that I've never had for free instead of paying for it and not liking it? So we're going to the galley to try beef Wellington. I don't know if Sean's going to get anything. Anyways, because it's the last day before we leave, if you don't want to carry your luggage off the cruise ship and you want them to do it for you, you could just leave your luggage outside the door by 10 p.m. and it will meet you off of the ship. So Sean went back to do that very quickly because we will not be back in the room before 10 o'clock. Now let's go get some beef Wellington. Okay. Got the Wellington, mashed potatoes to taste. Let's taste it. Let's try the mashed potatoes with gravy. Oh, I think you're gonna like the mashed potatoes. I knew it.
It's so creamy. I've seen videos of this being made before.
I know, someone should try it.
Apparently it's very hard to make.
Is it that good? Was it worth? Should we come back after Gun Bay?
If Gun Bay doesn't work out, we have a backup plan.
Let me try it. And we got like the end bit.
Yeah, I'm not being dramatic. Like
This is good. I knew beef Wellington would be good. Like this beef Wellington. You think Gordon Ramsay? I see why you make this your dish, your signature dish, or your well-known dish.
Before we went to dinner, we went to see a show at the Red Room called Persephone, I believe. So it's this story that's kind of based on Greek mythology, and it's like a very fun dance choreography story of how like the seasons exist. I don't want to give too much away. I mean, if you already know the story, you already know the story, but it was a very interesting take on Greek mythology, and I thought it was actually a pretty cool story. Some of the things that the performers were doing were amazing, and it was really breathtaking how many stunts they were doing like close together. And like, I mean, if I was any of these performers, I'd be exhausted. But yeah, it was a great show. I highly recommend if you're on a Virgin Voyages cruise that has this show. So check it out.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. So, the game is called Samyuk Brew in Korea. It's just only a counting game. So we are gonna count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until what number we reach, right? And then Samyuk means 3, 6, and 9.
Gone big, gone big, gone big, gone big, gone big.
Start, sir. 1, 2,
3.
gone big!
Hey, you have to skip 3, 6, and 9.
Did you explain the game?
No.
Yeah, you didn't explain game yet.
I read
Take the
it
whole
in
shot. Take the whole shot.
Oh, the whole thing.
Again. Some water here.
5.
7.
Gone big!
No.
He's supposed
Again.
to skip, right? Yeah.
No, sorry. That's why. Instead of saying the word, you just have to.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Now we continue to count.
Okay.
Right? Also, to make this more fun, we're gonna do this a little faster.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, random numbers here.
All right. 8.
Pass.
Gone big! Big!
Gone big, gone big, gone big.
13.
No, you gotta drink. You're not supposed to say 3, 6, and 9.
Gone big!
Cheers.
Go shot, gone big!
Gone big.
Yeah, here you go.
You're not supposed to say 3, 6, and 9.
Random number, sir, random number.
14.
15.
18.
20.
22.
He's playing.
Gone big, gone big,
Gone big, gone big, gone big, gone big, gone
Why?
Hey, take the shot.
I gotta be drunk.
big. No, you're not. You're not gonna be drunk.
You good?
25.
24.
Gone big, gone big, gone
I
big.
did it on purpose. Cheers.
Gone big, gone big.
Cheers.
It's never gonna make it around.
Last one.
20.
Get your food now, right?
21.
2. Oh, 24.
25.
26.
Gone big, gone big.
Gone big, gone big, gone big, gone big, gone
You
big.
guys finish this ball. I'm gonna get your food.
Good morning. It is day 11 on the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady, and we are leaving.
We have a 10:15 shuttle to the airport, but we got croissant and some pastries for our last time we don't have to figure out food for ourselves.
So I will say the staff was excellent. The happiness crew, excellent. Shout out to our guy LP. Shout out to Anzi too. I mean, the whole happiness crew is cool.
Yeah.
We're just saying the people that we interacted with the most. But yeah, it was a great time. Our cleaning staff is great too. They gave us robes. You know, they hooked us up with some stuff that they didn't need to hook us up with. They converted the bed. So
But
we just had a
wait,
great
to
time.
note that just because you ask for something doesn't mean they'll actually be able to do it. So also have some grace and some
Yeah.
take the no as well.
The robes was not a guarantee.
Yeah.
The robes is not for everybody.
Mhm.
So we asked and they were like, we'll help you out.
Yeah.
So the staff is excellent. I can't sing their praises enough.
The food, I don't even know how we're gonna close this video out. Like, so we did 11 days on Virgin Voyages, Resilient Lady Celebration Cruise, which is extra special. We got to see Greece. We got to see Turkey.
We got to see Sister Sledge.
We got to see Sister Sledge. Yes. We got to eat. We didn't have to cook. We didn't have to clean for almost 2 weeks. So that's the end of
This whole series.
Thank you. We appreciate you. Comment something you liked.
Yeah, or comment where you want us to go next on Virgin
Ooh.
Voyages. Because we
Ooh.
have not decided yet.
Yes, we did book a cruise, but it's open, so we have not. Yes, that's very true.
And also, like the video.
Share it.
Subscribe to the channel. Share the video. This I'm sure this took future me a lot of work. So make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. sure are. Finally.
Finally.